Today I'm unboxing this pen Quran, so let's open it and see. Okay, so this is the pen and let's check out the Quran. And let's put this box aside first and let me show you. So to turn it on, we have to press this button for 3 seconds. Okay, now let's open the Quran. Okay, so over here it's recitation only and recitation and translation and only translation and these are the languages, and over here are the Qari Sabs, and we can change the voice also. So I'll take this normal and Quran and translation and English. Okay, so let's start.
Righteous deeds and humbled themselves to their Lord. Those are the companions of paradise. They will abide eternally therein.
Okay, so you can also increase and decrease the voice from here, and this and over here is the earbuds port. Look, check it out, and this is the charger. So let's put this back. Okay, so in the Quranic Qaida at the back side, this is the Mukharij and
Number 8 Alif Waw Ya Yani number 4 number 3 Ain Ha वस्ते हलक से अदा होते हैं.
So
number 3 Ain Ha वस्ते हलक से अदा होते हैं.
So this is the makharij of all the letters. So let's put this back and let's open this up and let's see what it tells us. Okay, so it will tell the whole. So let's put this back, and this is the instruction manual, and these are all the short reminders, and it can go on, and you can, if you want to go back 10 seconds, you can press this, and 10 seconds forward you can press this, or 30 seconds forward here press this, and 30 second reverse press this. And there are lots of stories like this, these are also stories from the Quran, and see, and you can read them. So this tells us all the surahs shortcut, that how many surahs, and you can check all the surahs names, and these are the Holy Quran voices and translation voices, and over here are also some naats like okay, so let's put this aside, and there are also stories in Urdu about Siratul Nabi and Hajj Umrah and Nabi Kareem. And if you want to increase or decrease the voice, you can press this button. So I'm going to decrease it for a second because it's going to keep on saying all the stories. And over here there are also the holy prophets stories, and these are also Ashra Bashra and stories about al Mu'mineen and Sayyid bin Zaid, and so this is all of it, and This is the headphone port, and this is the charging port if it dies down. So goodbye, that's all for today. And if you want to turn it off, you can press this button.